My name is Melissa Bracamonte and I'm one of the community
Well, wait, can I think about it? You made me.
PACE doesn't like to call Sub 2 mentorship. Oh shit. Hold on.
Can I write it down?
Hey guys, my name is Melissa Bracamonte.
My name is Saravi.
I'm one of the 2 community managers of Sub 2.
I am a lead member success advisor here at Sub 2.
PACE doesn't like to call Sub 2 a mentorship. He likes to call it a community. So as you can imagine, that's why being a community manager is very important.
Sub 2 is already the industry leader in real estate education, but PACE likes to over-deliver, and he does that by having this MSA program.
Some of the responsibilities of managing the community are: 1, managing the community. Number 2, as you all know, PACE is crazy. Most other mentors only do 1 Zoom a week, but PACE does 21, and I have to manage all of that. Number 3, PACE has created hundreds of leaders inside of our community, and I get to communicate with them.
What does an MSA do when they come in? Like, what are your main roles and responsibilities?
So some of our main roles and responsibilities as MSAs are to onboard members, make sure they are connected to the community via Facebook and Discord. We make sure they're watching the relevant videos, the avatar series, picking their avatar, and taking consistent action.
When you come into the office every morning, what's the first thing that you do?
I write down everything that I do on a daily basis, plus anything extra that you text me in the morning.
We currently have a team of 12 MSAs, and we're growing, and we're very excited to work with you guys.
Am I hard to manage?
No.
Am I pretty organized?
Yes.
She's like, am I supposed to say yes? How is it working for PACE?
It's amazing.
In
He
what ways?
over-delivers.
So a little bit earlier, I asked her to go into the Sub 2 private Facebook group, and I said, hey, let's make a post in there and let's do a poll. And the poll should say, hey, what is something that you would like to see us do more, better, whatever inside of Sub 2? And she allowed people to create a poll and kind of submit their stuff. What do we got?
We have 1 comment and it's wrong.
Does PACE only teach creative finance?
No.
What else does PACE teach?
PACE teaches a bunch of things.
Refresh it, refresh it. Is it refreshed?
Let me see.
Sometimes you gotta just refresh it. Okay, well, we won't do that one then. It's too fresh. The post is too fresh. Does PACE only teach creative finance?
No, he teaches how to raise private capital. He teaches wholesaling. He teaches fix and flips, how to structure your business or corporation.
Do you hate working for PACE?
No.
Tell the people the truth.
I don't.
What's the worst part about working for PACE?
Nothing. I don't know. Yeah, being on camera.
Okay, that's great. What do you think are the students' favorite things about Sub 2?
There's a Zoom for everything. Any question they have, they can find it in the resources provided to them, whether it's in the community or in the course website.
What kind of positive feedback do you get the most frequent?
I get that the actual content of the Zooms is really good, or it helped them in that moment, or it was exactly what they needed, or that everything is just very accessible. Like if they can't make it to the live Zoom, they have the recording or any other resource, like they connect with the other students or with me or the MSAs.
Do you feel that students come into our mentorship after leaving another mentorship and say, oh my gosh, this is like a world of difference?
Oh yeah, just the other day I had a member who said she spent 3 times the amount in a different mentorship, came to Sub 2 and learned way more and got way more value through Sub 2.
So what do you feel like we're missing in Sub 2? What do you feel like we could do better?
I don't know anything specifically we could do better. I just feel we can continue to do what we do and more every day.
What do you think the Sub 2 students value the most inside of our community?
I think it goes, they value each other and then you.
What do you feel like is the #1 resource in all of Sub 2?
The community. Everyone wants to help each other in the community. It's all about family.
Do you ever see students doing deals with each other?
All the time. Everyone's doing deals with each other, JVing, partnering up, even just being accountability buddies with each other.
Why does PACE make his mentorship lifetime?
First of all, you make more money by helping new members. And then also that's just how the mentorship grows. Like other mentorships, they cut people off and that doesn't allow them to build a community. It doesn't allow them to grow as a mentorship. So that's why you want people to have lifetime access. Another reason why he lets people have lifetime access is because he builds real friendships in the community. And so why would he want to get rid of those people?
Last question. So how does somebody get into Sub 2?
So it's pretty hard. I get calls all the time about how people are so grateful that they got in at the time that they did so they can hit the ground running. We only have a couple seats available. It's closed out in certain cities, so I suggest booking a call and seeing if it's available for you.